Hello, my loves. So this final postcard is late. I know that it is late, and I am sorry that it's late, but I only realized like, when I started to film it that it was going to be the last video of the year because Christmas and New Year's both fall on my normal days where I release vlogs. And also I just need personally just a little bit of a creative break to re-energize so that I can start the new year. So as a result, I was like, wait a second, I want to do something fun. I want to do something a little bit Frenchier. So I want to kind of circle back to something that I started talking about at the very beginning of this series. You know, as I said, I wanted it to be a series about finding the holiday joy even though the world is crazy and life may not be perfect and whatever else. And I talked a bit about some of the things that I love about Christmas in France, and one of the things I noted is the delicious food that is very typically French. And so in this last and final postcard, I am going to make a traditionally French holiday drink for you, and then I'm also going to show you a little teeny tiny bûche de Noël, which I bought at the bakery because the bakery close to me makes bûchettes and they are absolutely delicious. And these are two items that I would say represent Christmas, and they really represent the holiday season in France, and I just want to share them with you as part of this very last postcard. So without further ado, we are going to make some vin chaud, and then we will enjoy a little bûche, and then watch Christmas movies because, you know, we're almost there. Okay, first things first, we're going to start with ingredients for our vin chaud. Now, there are a lot of mulled wine recipes on the internet, but vin chaud, what I'm going to show you, this is like the traditional French hot wine recipe. All right, so as far as everything we need a glass or bottle of red wine. Obviously, I'm not going to use the whole bottle for this. I'm just making one tiny cup. You can use a variety of red wines. I think Côte d'Or is going to be the best, so that's what I would recommend. You're going to need some cloves, clou de girofle, cloves. You're also going to need star anise, and you're going to need one orange. You can also, some recipes say to have a lime or that sort of thing. I don't think you need that, and I won't be adding that to this recipe. And then last but not least, you need sugar. As far as the sugar, I'm going to just use cane sugar because I think it's going to frankly go the best. But I've had like some French people say, you know, you can use brown sugar. I just think cane sugar is going to be best. So I have as far as tools, I have my pan, you know, my saucepan, my copper saucepan. This is going to be the best because it makes sure everything is evenly heated. So with that said, I'm going to combine all the ingredients and we're going to see how it's done. One thing I will note that I am going to do is normally you just cut the orange in slices. I'm going to slice half of the orange, and then for the other half of the orange, I'm actually going to juice it and put the juice in here. So let's do this. Also, cinnamon sticks. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Cinnamon sticks too. Part of the ingredient list. Okay, let's get going. Okay, I put my little mulled wine in a classically French cup. This is the cup that you will get at the farmer's market. sorry, not the farmer's market. This is the cup you will get at the Christmas markets if you ever do Christmas in Paris. And the great thing about this is it has the measurement like right on the side, so you know you aren't trying to give yourself too much because we're trying to keep it classy. The point is to enjoy the holiday, not to overdo it. This bûche or bûchette is a small bûche de Noël, which is called a Christmas log, essentially, is the translation. And this particular one is a little one that has praline in it, or praline, and which is like hazelnut, and it's just going to be like almonds and very light and airy. So I got this from the bakery. Normally bûches come in size of 2 and more, but the great part is this bakery does bûchettes, and a bûchette is just for one person. So you get to have it, but without the gluttony. So here we go. I love these. Every year I look forward to this. And the great thing is it's this whipped mousse, and then the bottom is just this like hard, like crackery cake part. It's so good and perfect when paired with oatmeal pie. Two perfect balances. Literally, two of the things that I love the absolute most about Christmas in Paris, and two things that I think best reflect what it's like to spend Christmas in Paris and what it's like to enjoy just this holiday season in this beautiful city, in this great country, and, you know, it's fun. So anyway, with that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our little series on our letters to December. I hope you've enjoyed our celebration of Christmas in Paris, and I hope that it has inspired you to find joy even when things are not perfect, but still to find joy in this holiday season. I want to take a moment and just express how truly grateful I am for each and every one of you who have watched any of my videos throughout the year, who comment, etc. I value you. I also value connecting with you. Like, that's what I like most, is like these relationships that we have, you know, going back and forth and talking with each other. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending time at this channel, getting to know, you know, my experiences, and just giving me the freedom to share and the ability to share. And I look forward to seeing you in 2026. Stay safe. Have a happy new year. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.